In this video, we listed the 5 best printer for graphics design that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson Expression HD XP 15000. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 is a compact, professional-grade inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo printing. It supports both wired and wireless connectivity and features auto-duplex printing for added convenience. This Ultra HD photo printer delivers brilliant, borderless prints up to 13 by 19 inches and uses a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink set, including red and gray inks, for an expanded color gamut and enhanced black and white prints. The printer includes a 50-sheet rear tray for specialty media like cardstock and accommodates various paper finishes and sizes. With a 200-sheet front tray and support for auto two-sided printing, it is both versatile and efficient. The XP 15000 is 30% smaller than its predecessor, making it an excellent fit for desktops. It also features dash replenishment technology to monitor ink usage and automatically order replacements when running low. The package includes the printer, setup CD-ROM, power cord, 6 Claria Photo HD ink cartridges, and a cleaning sheet. Number 2. Canon imagePROGRAF PRO 300. The Canon imagePROGRAF PRO 300 is a professional inkjet photo and fine art printer designed to meet the needs of advanced amateurs and professional photographers. With its compact design and lightweight build at 14.3 kilograms, it offers exceptional image quality and productivity while maintaining a smaller footprint. Equipped with a 9-color ink system plus chroma optimizer, this printer ensures vibrant and precise prints that bring images to life. Its user-friendly features include a 3.0-inch color LCD monitor for easy access to settings, ink levels, and printer status, as well as advanced systems like nozzle recovery and skew correction for enhanced workflow efficiency. Connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and USB make it versatile, while its wireless capability adds convenience. Ideal for creative professionals, the PRO 300 consistently delivers high-quality results with ease. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. The HP all-in-one printer is a versatile and efficient device designed for small businesses and home offices, offering professional quality color printing for presentations, brochures, and flyers. With both wired and wireless connectivity options, it features advanced capabilities such as double-sided scanning, an auto-document feeder, and a 2.7-inch touch screen for seamless operation. The printer supports fast print speeds of up to 22 pages per minute in black and 18 pages per minute in color. It includes upgraded features like mobile and wireless printing, faxing, copying, and USB support. By activating HP+, users gain access to smart features like security enhancements, automatic updates, and a 6-month subscription to the Instant Ink Delivery service, which saves up to 50% on ink costs. The printer is equipped with dual-band self-healing Wi-Fi for reliable connectivity and enhanced security measures such as encryption and password protection. Recognized as the best all-in-one printer by Wirecutter in March 2021, this device is compatible only with original HP cartridges and maintains effectiveness through periodic firmware updates. Number 4. Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is a high-performance wireless inkjet printer designed for creative projects and lab-quality photo printing. It features cartridge-free printing with Epson's high-accuracy printhead and Claria ET Premium 6-color inks, delivering vibrant colors and sharp text. With extraordinary media support, it accommodates borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches, cardstock, CDs, DVDs, and specialty media up to 1.3 mm thick. The printer is equipped with advanced features like auto-duplex printing, double-sided scanning, and a 4.3-inch intuitive touch display with voice-activated printing. It offers remarkable value, saving up to 80% on replacement ink bottles compared to traditional cartridges, with each set providing enough ink to print up to 6,200 color pages and lasting up to 2 years. The EcoFit ink bottle design ensures easy refilling, reducing waste equivalent to about 100 individual cartridges per set. Additionally, the Epson Smart Panel app allows mobile device connectivity for seamless operation on iOS and Android platforms. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty with registration, this printer combines efficiency, sustainability, and high-quality performance for all your printing needs. Number 5. Lexmark B30x42DW Printer. The Lexmark B30x42DW is a monochrome laser printer designed for small businesses, offering productivity, durability, and sustainability. With a fast print speed of up to 40 pages per minute and standard two-sided printing, it enhances efficiency while reducing paper usage. The printer supports multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing through the Lexmark mobile print app, making it easy to print and share from various devices or cloud platforms. Built with a steel frame and long-life imaging components, it ensures reliability and minimal maintenance. Security features are integrated to protect sensitive information across the network and device. Additionally, its eco-friendly design supports the use of recycled paper and offers free cartridge recycling. Backed by a 1-year on-site warranty with next business day service, the Lexmark B30x42DW is a robust and cost-effective solution for reliable monochrome printing.